Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 3rd of August 2025. So yesterday we saw this 19% tariff didn't actually did do much to our the whole this sector the technology, all those but maybe construction, yes, okay, construction property got some of it. Other than that, not that much Oh, and also one more mention our these friends, okay, at our YouTube thanks reminded me okay, this semiconductor and a pharmaceutical no tariff to US okay. So yesterday I came up with the latest news so our this Tunku Zafro say pharmaceutical and semiconductor. So semiconductor still okay no tariff but E and electrical maybe still kena so we have to still continue and see okay, what is the impact. But the impact on the technology okay, minor so we didn't see like technology suddenly breakthrough. So still have to wait a few more days still. So the expert now maybe probably still calculating maybe is it worth it, the technology, is it going to the 19% enough to push our whole sector up or not okay. So okay, quick disclaimer before I continue. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, let's go through. Okay, BAT, CKI, DX and DXY. Okay, BAT. Okay, BAT is still up but BAT almost reaching the resistance here that cover the gap 5.2 but still okay We stay above 4.89, I think still okay. We drop below, be careful, you might to close the lower gap So now it's trying to go close the upper gap 5.82 the next resistance. Do take note. CKI. CKI got talk about this okay. A lot of new listing in Malaysia okay. Most of them will drop first. Then once you really drop lower, the big investor but nowadays those are public listing okay. The price they really make all the calculation, all those things So normally it listing during the day of listing okay, or the listing price normally it will not be cheap it's like a market price or it's slightly like at the normally it's how do I want to put it it's a high side so they won't give you a good stock at a low price during listing. Normally it's like that because they really do the valuation everything okay. So you get, but sometimes because the prospect like Mr. DIY 99 they are opening new store a few hundred store all these every year so the prospect are there. So that's why even they are open at high price, they still going it very high because the long term prospect but some but most of them after open they will drop first. But once I told you once it become very cheap, you have to watch okay. And then they might the big buyers okay already wait already dropped to the price that they think is worth it it's cheap for them to buy already you see push okay. Now CKI already push already so it might even go higher very strong now okay. This one I got highlight it might got chance to even go higher. This one we're gonna continue, but it must hold 85 cents okay. It cannot hold 85, be careful. Okay, ECOSHOP, ECOMATE too high to chase already fly very high okay. ECOMATE already very high. Okay, too high to chase. EcoShop. EcoShop okay lah, still in the pattern. As long as say about 1.27, okay lah. Okay. FFP. IFB failed already the pattern breakout failed already it's like coming back, it's like dropping back below the support here. Okay lah, still, but doesn't look good lah. Making lower high, lower low already, it's not good lah. This one probably, this one consider fail lah. HUPSENG also not much, also like head and shoulder, bit break 1 ringgit then only we talk lah. Who else lah? NESTLE. NESTLE, okay, NESTLE already up, but the big one is 88 lah. If you push above 88, maybe you can go higher. This one, because of the triangle lah, okay. It push through 88 Windows computer very weird one okay. When you, the first time you use it very fast, the first few months then after that it will get slower and slower and slower and slower. Okay, after breakout, I think there's a chance. 88, if you break out, you got a chance to come back to here. You forever you become slower no matter how powerful your computer lah. Okay, you come here. The resistance here lah. Okay, it becomes slower and slower and slower. Okay. On my this one I upgrade the PC Ryzen 7 16GB, but I'm not doing all those game, all those things lah. So consider powerful for normal usage lah. Okay, 16GB, 500 GB SSD, Ryzen 7. So initially it was rocket flying very fast, but then it becomes slower and slower and slower and slower. Before this, the N100 also, the Intel N100, the low power also, initially very fast, then it becomes slower and slower. But that one, the N100 doesn't it doesn't slow as much as the AMD Radeon. In the long term, I don't know, I just feel like it because I got a few Intel now. I'm changing to AMD. AMD suffer, I don't know, maybe just maybe me lah. Long term usage, right? I mean the slowdown suffer more than Intel. Intel, yes, after some time, after a long time, right? After using because don't know lah. My Microsoft Windows computer always will slow down no matter how fast you buy initially beginning. Okay, it will slow and slow and slow. After update order, we don't know lah. But I think Intel one probably suffer less. It does slow down, but I think probably less. But the AMD one, okay, really suffer. I got two I got two laptop. One laptop is Ryzen 5. Okay, SSD. Yeah, it suffer. So because it was very fast initially. Intel is not very fast, but it doesn't suffer that much. The AMD initially very fast, then it's slight to suffer. I got another Intel i3. Also, I feel like AMD suffer more in the long term but I don't know lah. you slow Windows is like that that's why people all using Mac, right? I think Mac will not, or maybe Linux also. I think probably will not slow down, right? But Windows will sure slow down after some time. It will slow. Of course, now you look at it, it's slower lah because behind background I'm running something lah. I'm running something. That's why you look it's slower lah. But even last time, even back in the background, I'm running this running the photo editing software at the behind they're doing compilation, right? It will not slow like this, or it will not slow like this. Okay, it will slow down slightly only. I don't know lah. Weird lah. Windows is like that lah. It will slow. Okay, look at construction. ANEKA. And I used to have before that I used i7, right? i5, i7, I think. Also, it never slow down like this, like AMD. Initially, when it's beginning, it's extremely fast, but it will slow down, keep on slowing down. I don't know lah, maybe just me lah. I don't suffer this much. I mean a lot using the Intel lah. Okay. Maybe that's why the Mr. Tan goes to Intel to save Intel. ANEKA 0.17 I need to break through first lah. Okay. Benastra need to, I think wait for retracement first, then only catch it lah. Who else? GAMUDA also lah. I think way too far now. Wait for a drop first lah. You want to catch this GAMUDA. Okay, now I think it's a bit high lah. Okay, IREKA. Oh, IREKA very volatile. I don't dare to touch this one lah. Or too volatile for me. Okay, it's stuck at 2.24 cents lah. Okay, for now. JT Group hit target already lah. JT Group already hit target. Okay. JT Group hit target. Maybe still can go higher. Like, up to you lah. If you want to keep also can. Or I think maybe it might still go higher. Okay, because it really make a significant drop lah. Okay, maybe still can go higher. As long as stay above 50 cents, I think it's okay. If we drop below, then you be careful. KERJAYA. Did not break out 212? Why break out? UUE hit target area already. I think short term maybe take some profit. And it also got double top here lah, so it's reaching this 95 cents also. Big resistance area lah. Okay. We saw lah this one the head and shoulder already hit target area lah. Okay. Side part DAYANG, DIALOG, HOG. Okay, let's look at energy. Energy, not the petrol one is moving. The one is moving is a clean energy. Okay. Side part drop a bit. But I think side part very risky lah. No doubt it's going back up after a drop lah, but it's very risky. Better cut down lah. We cannot hold 82 cents, then better not hold already lah. It just break out from triangle. It's coming to test the triangle, but it's a bit aggressive lah, coming down. So it's not very firm lah. Okay, this breakout. Dayang need to break 2 ringgit first lah. Dialog got break project. You want to watch. Dialog, if we can hold above 179, Dialog my God, chance to go there. 2.4 area. Okay, HOG already goring already lah. Now coming back down lah. Okay, HIBISCS nothing much lah. Drop. We need to wait break 1.62, then only we talk lah. KEYFIELD. He also still dropping, nothing much happening. LFG already target near the target area, better don't chase now lah. Okay, you should have chased when we see the breakout here or 94 cent area. Okay, now it's late. I think late lah. SAMAIDEN long term maybe still got chance. Okay, you wait a bit and see lah. Okay, because you got this triangle. It's still going through. Okay, maybe still can reach the Kenanga 1.44 lah. Okay, this one maybe still can. SLVEST too high already lah. Not a good place to chase. YINSON still stuck here. If we got volume break to 2.48, then only we talk. Okay. What else do we have? SUNVIEW break 46 cents first. It's still low lah. Break 46 cents first. Who else? Norton. Now a lot of these clean energy company are moving up. Okay, Norton triangle broken, so it's heading to 81 cents. Still got chance lah. Okay, towards 81 cents. Okay, must hold 65 cents lah. Okay, must hold 65. MNRB. Okay, MNRB still coming down lah. Nothing much. I think window right suffer from the update lah. I think when after it does a lot of update, all those things so it slow down lah. I mean without all those update maybe okay lah. Bloated lah. I think. Hata, we read here our this news saying that glove we have to wait for China lah. If China get high tariff, maybe gloves still okay. But if China get low tariff, so we could be disadvantaged lah. just dropping and dropping lah. This one maybe break 148, then only we talk lah for ATA. KOSSAN. KOSSAN 141. Trying to rebound but not much lah. 141. So much green. I think KOSSAN maybe wait for 150 lah. 152, break 152 first lah. Okay. Pharma recording already lah. Now we want to wait for the whether it can. It did a lot of exercise, a lot of these exercise to stay, to not get delisted, or probably to find a way out of PN17 lah. So the first thing, it really turned to profit. One good thing lah. Now it really added a lot of shares and already split shares also. You know, done a lot of things trying to hold on lah. Okay, hopefully it can go through. If it can go through, I mean it can get itself to stop from being delisted, and if you can exceed PN17, I think long term it got big. It got chance to go higher. But if it stuck, or if it cannot, if we kena this delisted, then it's problem lah. But recording lah, give you chance to run at least for short term lah. Okay, really went up. HEGROUP, Hume Industry. HEGROUP already head and shoulder already broken, hit target already lah. You want to maybe you wait for the next pattern breakout, then you try again lah. Okay, 39 cent lah. You can punch through 39 cent, then we want to try again. Hume Industry. Okay, Hume Industry already we saw the breakout. Also, it's heading towards this 3.47 lah. Still okay lah. Still moving up. Okay, still okay for now. Okay, volume still up. 800 over 200 over average to 800 over 1000. KLSE Titan. TV nothing much lah. I need to break out first. Nothing much. Break 35 first. LC Titan. LC Titan moving up. Almost to all these bank target already lah. But don't chase at the high lah. Wait for it drop first lah. I think long term is slowly moving up with a big project for this Indonesia. Also, I think long term is turning around lah. Okay, NE. NE already the head and shoulder hit target already lah. This one also not a good place to chase here lah. Okay, for NE. It is take profit area lah. OXP, the new listed one. Okay, very volatile but nothing much happening lah. I think want to break 40 cent only lah. I think maybe it might gain momentum lah. Okay, SAM. Some okay, slowly still going. Okay, as long as stay above 385. VS. Okay, VS. VS is still sideways lah. Maybe break 94 cent. I think then maybe got room to go lah. Okay, now it's just sideways. Okay. You want to buy, also need to buy at low lah, at 71 cents, 70 cents, not buy at the 80, 90 cents lah. Okay. I think. What else? PANTECH, PMETAL, PMB. PANTECH, the report not so good lah. Don't expect it to be. Okay, the report not so good lah. Unless you can break 2.7 to 2 cents first lah. Okay. PMETAL breakout, but now the aluminium losing a lot of momentum, losing a bit of momentum, but still okay lah. As long as stay above this 52 cents lah. As long as stay above 52 cents, I think slowly it's going up. PMBTECH. PMBTECH stuck here, kena this 155, still cannot break through lah. But long term, I think it's trying to make a bottom here lah. Hopefully lah. Hopefully long term is turning around. It cannot drop below 1.919 lah. Okay, 1.19 cannot. Okay. CHINTEK HARNLEN. Oh, CHINTEK too high to chase lah. Straight up lah. This one I don't dare to chase lah. Okay. I don't dare to chase. HARNLEN really coming back down already lah. Okay, this one. Okay, this one too volatile lah. All this I don't dare to chase. You see, once this stock once they throw 100 over 1,000 volume too small lah. Okay, these are for this short term intraday trader play lah. You see, once they throw right, it fly like it drop like mad lah. So that's why very risky this side. This side of stock. So I don't play lah. I'm not saying company not good lah. Only the kaki goreng this stock is very volatile, and because it's volume small lah. When volume small, small volume can really make it fly and drop already very dangerous lah. Okay. For short term yes lah. For medium long term not so good. Okay, look at property ECOFIRS. ECOFIRS still sideways lah, between 30 cent and 40 cent lah. Nothing much lah. Okay, so you need to break above 40, stay above 40 for some time, then maybe the next phase lah. Okay, EUPE, all these I'm not very familiar lah, but it pop up in the news. Okay, EUPE is still dropping lah, actually, nothing much. Break 1 ringgit first lah. IBRACO, IWCITY, all these rarely see in the news lah. IBRACO very strong actually, but I don't dare to play also 100 over 1,000. But it pop up 1, 2, 3, maybe it's want to climb back up to the 1.5 lah. But make sure if you play this one, it should not drop below 1.23 again lah. Okay. IWCITY maybe trying to make the bottom here lah. It is, I mean, the best lah. Okay, you need to. The best lah, you need to stay firm above this one 0.4. If you stay above 0.41, then maybe we talk. But now maybe it's trying to make a bottom, but it haven't make the proper. You make this triangle, you break out this triangle, then maybe longer term lah. Now it's just short term. We couldn't see the proper momentum yet lah. Okay. LBS big project coming with KOSSAN, so you watch this one. If you pop below 50, above 50 cent, you want to watch like double bottom here. You want to watch this one. Massing fail okay. Double bottom breakout fail. Not good. Fail. Okay. So seal also lah, sideways here. Seal also too high to chase for me lah. Okay, it's starting to sideways already. I don't sideways here. I'm not chasing very high. Okay. Unless it got big volume, price to 87 cents, but for me it's still a bit high to chase. Okay, technology. Let me have a drink first before we continue to the technology. Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel. Okay, all the links are at the description area. Link to CGS, iTrade, TradingView, and this Luno. Okay, you use my link, you can get some reward, some discount, all these things. So you want to open account with CGS to invest in Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US market. Okay, you can try CGS. My friend is a remiser, very friendly guy. Okay, if you want to buy crypto down there, then Luno. If you want to open this TradingView, this chart software that I'm using you can try the free version, paid version also can. You use my link okay. Okay, check out technology. Citos, DE&O, Dufu, Franken, Great Tech, IT Max. Okay. Citos not good the report not so good Citos is still diving down. D&O trying to rebound, especially if we can break through breakthrough 1.23 lah. You have to wait it for breakthrough 1.23 first. Okay, then I think only the momentum will come lah. Not enough for now lah. The next also not moving. Look at Dufu. Dufu momentum is how to call it lah. Losing momentum lah. So it try breakout, come back down. So for Dufu, I think Dufu for now I said technology cut down first. Okay, wait for the 19%. Wait for the tariff, but tariff count 19% is not very convincing. So it's not moving much. So we have to wait one maybe another few more days, see whether the big buyers are convinced that it's good for us. Then maybe it will push, or else I don't think it's moving anyway. And yesterday we look at US also, the global also not very good. I doubt this is moving much lah. I think you have to wait lah. Okay, I'm not saying it will drop. I'm saying that probably you go flat. Okay, have to wait for the next catalyst lah. Okay, Franken also bank HLIB give 4.0, so now it's at this area. So how far or how much further do you think it can go, right? Okay, CHINTEK nothing much. CHINTEK still dropping. Great Tech still okay lah. I said lah, flat lah now. So they're digesting the tariff lah, the whole world lah. So there's no momentum yet. We have to wait and see lah. Okay. Inform finally big push up now. Finally hit the resistance lah. 1.23 lah. Not a good place to buy lah. If you're already in, maybe you take some profit here lah. Okay, overbought. So IDMAX, yes, maybe still try to go, but I think the gap is limited. But there's still $5 here lah. There's one target here, 5 ringgit. As long as stay above 40 cents, you break 44 ringgit, stay above 4 ringgit, maybe still can go lah. Okay, but very high lah. I'm not very keen to chase when it's very high lah. Okay, same thing lah. It's just slowly going up lah. The 19% is not pushing this giving a lot of room for this technology lah. Okay, the whole thing lah. I'm not saying okay some companies. So you didn't see the real you didn't see like big push lah. Netgate similar lah. You see almost all flat now lah. Netgate also flat. Also nothing. Penta already go up quite well lah. I said lah, take some profit, keep some, and see the next move lah. But looks like dropping lah. Looks more like dropping. We got a divergence here. Looks like more like dropping than going up lah. Okay, PIE already dropped below the triangle already. Also it's coming down, so not so good. Textor buy bottom channel, sell top channel lah. Okay, don't buy the middle lah. Unisem also slowly is moving up lah. So still okay for now. Okay, to keep some, but the big momentum we don't see lah. Okay, we don't see the big momentum. All this lah. SMRT. MNRB also a little bit negative. UWC. Okay, UWC better. Still going up lah. UWC better. UWC okay. Give it some room lah. Maybe still can go higher. Vitrox also okay. Still slowly still going up. Vitrox maybe still can go to the target. Zetric not so good lah. Zetric this immigration contract also ended, and also got Saman, this boss, but they got other project lah. They still can get other project lah. Other this home ministry project, so it's okay. We have to wait lah. So that's why it's trying to rebound again lah, but not good enough for me to put to have any kind of interest play lah. Okay, interest to play lah. MPI. But also lah, slowly going up lah, still okay lah, still can keep when to wait for the next phase lah. Okay. Axiata hit the target area lah, maybe take some profit first okay. Hit the target area, almost reach the target area lah. Okay, around 280. Or that day reach 270 already lah. 274. So maybe take some profit, wait for the next move lah. Okay. Hextech MMAG. Hashtag very difficult to see the movement lah. I'm trying to go up lah, but not buy at the high here lah, better buy at the low. MAG starting to rebound lah, but a lot of them got buy at the high here lah, bought at the high here, all kena lah. So I don't dare to touch this one. You play this one shot down, you need to wait how many years to recover back to this high the 4 ringgit area. Okay, so that's why. No, that you manage to pick the bottom, yes, you can get some profit a lot of profit here. But once you miscalculated, big one drop, this one I don't dare to touch this one. I'm not saying the company not good, the kaki goreng this stock with very volatile I'm not saying the company not good, all these things So I say the chart not good Okay, the chart doesn't mean the company not good It's a chart. Means the kaki goreng of this stock is very volatile They throw or they don't care, they just throw like that Okay. Tanjong already Tanjong already hit the target. Okay, now it's trying to break higher, but look like it unable look like false break. RSI didn't go higher. I think this one you better cut down first or out Doesn't look so good. Okay. Doesn't look so good. Okay, for now Okay, a lot of people try to jump in now. They start to reverse. They are scared Okay. Better don't chase I want to chase. I think I told you here is a good one, but it got a proper flat pattern But here no proper pattern. This is just simply hantam goreng only Okay. So okay so that's it for today. So don't see much momentum yet, and the global market doesn't look good. Yesterday you go and watch yesterday video Okay. So still have to be careful Okay. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.